Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to schedule a ride on a lift. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to schedule a ride on a lift, whether you have got an early morning flight or a meeting or just you want to plan ahead. Scheduling a ride is super convenient, so let's get started our video. First of all, open your Lyft application on your mobile device, and before that make sure you will be logged in that. Now you can see here I already opened my application. So in that at the down you can see two icons are there. One is ride and second one is trip. So you have to select one trip option. So inside that now you can see here one option is as a scheduler ride. So tap on that. So you have to give your destination information. After giving all those information, it will be asking about the timing for scheduling. So you have to give your that timing from here. You can change also the timing in which time you want. You can give everything. After giving that, now you can see here one next option is there. So click on that next option. So you have to select a ride which you want is best for you. You have to select that. After that now you can see here select standard option is there, so click on that, and here it will be asking about that your payment method. So you have to select that payment method. After giving all this detail, then it will be asking about for confirmation and all. So after giving that confirmation for a ride, so in this way you schedule a ride on a lift. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.